After 3 long months, we are finally going to be playing Twilight Princess HD with sound effects in hero mode. Tell me, do you ever feel a strange sadness as dusk falls? They say it's the only time when our world intersects with theirs. The only time we can feel the lingering regrets of spirits who have left our world. Huh? Yeah, what about it? And that is why loneliness always pervades the hour of twilight. You know I was talking to you. We're not talking sadness. I have a favor to ask of you. Fuego. I was supposed to deliver something to the royal family of Hyrule the day after tomorrow. Yes, it was a task set to me by the mayor, but would you go in my stead? Sorry, I suck at dialogue, but let me ask you something. You have never been to Hyrule, right? In the kingdom of Hyrule, there is a great castle, and around it is Castletown, a community far bigger than our little village, and far bigger than Hyrule is the rest of the world the gods created. And I just realized the fact that this is literally in mirror mode, so not only that you're playing in hero mode, but this is also gonna suck for you, the fact that everything is flopped, and you probably don't know what I'm talking about, but as I should say, you should look upon it with all your eyes. Your own eyes. You know what? I suck at dialogue. Let's go. We need to head back to the village. It's getting late. Come on, get off your... Yeah. Piss off, man. You're always such a drag. What are you talking about? I'm just saying it's getting pretty late. We have to head back. I mean, yeah, we do, but I would honestly love to go to Hyrule, yeah. But I have a question, though. Why me? Oh, man. Give me a second. I'm locking the gate. Listen, there's a lot of potential behind you. So, keep that in mind. I could have asked anyone for this, but I asked you instead. Yeah, that's what I'm curious. Why am I going to Hyrule instead of you? We'll talk about it later, Fuego. I need to get home and make some frickin' dinner. I'm starving. Alright, Colin, whatever your name is. Come on, buddy. Bye, Link. Wait, no, my name's Fuego. What are you Oh, this kid's a twat. Hey! Fuego! Are you there? What? Yeah? Hey, you mind helping me herd the goats? They ain't listened to me lately. Sure. Oh, wait, what in tarnation? Wait a damn minute, where's Epona? So this is where my horse has been. Look how beautiful they look. If only she was riding me like a horse, you know what I'm saying? Oh, hi, Fuego. I washed Epona for you. Thank you. But if you'll excuse me, I need to borrow her. Oh. Epona really works hard, so I thought she deserved a treat. Oh, but listen, Fuego, could you do something for me? Can you use a piece of grass to play that song for me? You know, the one that Epona likes. Okay, fine. Let's get it over with. Okay, sheesh. It's such a nice melody. Epona looks happy. She's all prettied up now. I suppose you can ride her back. But don't make her work too much, okay? Sure, yeah. Thanks for the wash. Alright. Oh, come on, you stupid horse. Go! Ordon Village is my home. These lyrics are off the dome. Ordon Village is my home, and I swear I will never give in. You know I love Ordon Village. Hey, rate my singing from 1 to 10 in the comments. And while you're at it, like and subscribe. Let me say it again. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Ordon Ranch, but like and subscribe. Alright, let's go help this guy. Sorry to get you over here in such a hurry, Fuego. These guys have been awful skittish lately. They won't listen to a word I say. Sorry to ask, bud, but how's about you and Epona herd them into the barn real quick? We ain't got much time. So you think you can do it for me? Yes. Much obliged there, bud. Okay then, get on and herd all these scamps into the barn for me. Yeehaw! There. Ah. All right. Oh, what the? Bruh. Get your ass in there. Alright. Turn around! Get your honeys in there. Come on. Woohoo! Fuego! Epona! Much obliged to both of y'all. I can cover everything tomorrow without having to trouble you, so sit back and relax, bud. Oh, but how about today? Want to practice with the fences? Just wait a spell, bud. I'll get them fences set up. Oh, sorry that took you so long. Okay then, y'all ride all you want, but I know people gotta leave eventually. They don't want to keep watching this video for long, so I'm gonna tell the audience right now, hit the like button and subscribe for Fuego and Epona. And yeah, just saying, if y'all get tired, you know, jump the gate and head on back to the village, okay bud? Appreciate it.